Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix this wrench icon in NewHolland combine or harvester. So it is simple and easy to do. So what it says that you need to do a service, so make sure to oil the combine and etc. And after that, as I did, just follow my steps. Just go right here, go to the settings, and here you will see service, and as you can see there's 50 hours service. So click that one and click service is done, click yes, and that's it. That's how you do and fix your wrench icon on NewHolland combine. And this shows that my next service is at 100 hours, so that's pretty much it. So it will be in 7 hours because it is 93 now. So that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.